As I walked the road from Killishandra, weary eyes sat down, for it's 12 long miles around the lake to get to Cavan Town. The road there and the road I go, one seem beyond compare. Now I curse the time it takes to reach my Cavan girl so fair. Oh, the autumn shades are on the leaves, the trees will soon be bare. Each red-coat leaf around me seems the colour of her hair. My gaze replete defies my feet, and once again I sigh, for the broken hue of sky reminds the colour of her eyes. At the Cavan Cross each Sunday morning, it's there she can be found, and she seems to have the eye of every boy in Cavan Town. If my luck will hold, I'll have the golden summer of her smile, and to break the hearts of Cavan men, she'll talk to me a while. So next Sunday evening finds me homeward, Killishandra bound, to work a week till I return to port in Cavan Town. When asked if she would be my bride, at least she'd not said no.